Now let us start the panel discussion. In this session, we will discuss special features of digital markets and proactive mechanisms that can be enforced by competition authorities. As you all know, digital markets pose unique challenges to competition authorities around the world due to existence of platform-based business models, network effects, multi-sided markets, and economies of scale. The rapid rate of technological innovation in digital markets paves the way for market disruption through new entrants and new products to the benefit of consumers. Thus, encouraging and facilitating innovation through new entry may be one of the most important responsibilities of competition authorities with respect to digital markets. Along the same lines, in digital markets, the concentration levels are high compared to conventional markets. This is in part due to economic features of these markets, such as first mover and product development advantages from data accumulation. However, it may be the result of deliberate strategies to retain early leadership by acquiring rivals and leveraging dominance in some areas to exclude competitors in others, as Professor Khan already mentioned. And that is why in digital markets, a proactive approach from competition authorities is urgently needed. This is why we are working on all of us all around the world. We are working on market studies, and we're trying to come up with new tools to deal with digital market issues. In this panel session, we will discuss the issues faced by competition authorities in these markets and possible proactive actions to prevent these problems. Let us now move on to the panel. Since we have 8 distinguished speakers today, I will ask our speakers to limit their talks by 5 minutes each, please. And a quick reminder, please mute your microphones while you're not speaking. Our first speaker is Ms. Teresa Moreira from UNCTAD. Ms. Moreira serves as the head of Competition and Consumer Policies branch of UNCTAD since 2016. She previously served as Consumer Director General of Portugal and as a member of the board of Portuguese Competition Authority when it was first established. She also served as Portugal's Director General and Deputy Director General for International Economic Relations and held senior positions at the former Director General for Competition. She worked for 20 years as a teaching assistant at the Faculty of Law, University of Lisbon, in the areas of international economic law and European law, as well as European competition law and European economic law. Ms. Moreira, you have the floor.
Good afternoon. Greetings from Geneva. First of all, allow me to thank the president of the Turkish Competition Authority and the whole team for 1 year of cooperation and of life, so to speak, of the Istanbul Competition Forum, a very interesting initiative launched by the Turkish Competition Authority in a very timely manner in cooperation with UNCTAD. I know that we don't have much time, so I will try to briefly go over a number of slides, which I hope you are now seeing. Just to say that well, we know how the rise of digital economy has taken place. I just used some statistics from another UN sister agency, which is the International Telecommunication Unit, which you're seeing now. And I would like to also briefly show one of the latest data that we gather in the UNCTAD COVID-19 issue on, of course, the rising fortunes of the leading technological companies that were already mentioned by our keynote speaker. And to underline that not only digital platforms have a number of very particular features as they raise specific competition concerns that were very appropriately already mentioned. So, what can we do about it, especially from UNCTAD's point of view, with its 195 member states, gathers very useful knowledge and information from developed and developing countries. Our analysis and our recommendations have been focusing on 3 main points that I'm sure all of you have heard us talk about and probably you would agree with. First, the need for a legal and policy frameworks that are adjusted to these new challenges, especially when considering the framework of competition authorities and their powers to act. I would underline the consideration of fair competition provisions that allow somehow to cover an area that is a little bit lacking in most competition legal frameworks. Then the enforcement, a very important second point, where we, of course, recommend for faster and bolder action, namely making use of existing but also new tools, data analysis, and interacting with other agencies where a number of important information is gathered that can be useful for the definition of commitments and remedies. And finally, the regulation role as a complementary tool, but increasingly necessary through ex-ante pro-competitive measures that will provide for transparency, non-discrimination treatment, and fairness. I would like to underline, since of course most of the following speakers are from partner developing countries, that for instance, Germany recently this year adopted a draft law that provides more tools to the Bundeskartellamt, so the German competition authority, to tackle effectively this abusive market behavior by big technology companies. And also like to mention a recent regulation by the European Union that came into force last year to promote fairness and transparency for business users of online platforms, as well as the upcoming EU Digital Markets Act, which is expected to set new rules regarding the responsibilities of digital platforms and also propose what we would consider ex-ante regulation rules, because of course, as Alina Khan mentioned, they act as gatekeepers. Now, you know that UNCTAD has this double mandate on competition and consumer policies, and we are keen to make the most out of the synergies between these two policies to make online markets work for consumers and businesses worldwide. So we have been recommending in a consistent way a number of policy options that I believe very much encompass a number of references already made and probably others from the following speakers. I mentioned already some, the adaptation of competition tools, the reform of merger control regimes, new regulations, guidelines, ex-ante regulation, platform neutrality, and frankly, I would like to underline the last two. So the need for an holistic approach, including not only competition, consumer policies, but also data protection, electronic communications, financial regulation if necessary, and of course to enhance international cooperation, for which UNCTAD serves as a very good platform. I just leave a reference on our recent research on this issue, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank my colleague, Ms. Ebru Gökçe Desmond, for liaising with the Turkish Competition Authority, and she is actually the author of these two important pieces of research. And to remind all of you that in next year's Intergovernmental Group of Experts meeting of UNCTAD in July 2021, one of the substantive topics will be competition law and policy and regulation in the digital era. So we look forward to your contributions and to this discussion. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Moreira, for your presentation, and thank you for UNCTAD for the cooperation you have provided, which made this forum happen for the second time. Thanks very much indeed.